was gonna say you should fucking get it again.
I was gonna say you should fucking hit the timer when you're supposed to. I'm definitely gonna bedazzle my bike now.
There you go. There you go. Part of the game, you know, Garrett's got the iPhone 10 probably. All right, what's going on, guys? Today we are at Barona Oaks. We're gonna do another lap time challenge. I got Garrett, Zach, Austin, Tyler behind the camera, and me. We're gonna see who can do the fastest lap. I already know I'm probably not gonna be the fastest, but it should be fun. Little track has changed a little bit, but it's a perfect day to rip some laps.
Huh?
All right, who's going first?
I will.
Yeah, go.
I'm gonna go up and then start right here and then come as soon as I pass. When I pass right there, all right?
$150. That's pretty good.
Yeah, that is.
That is pretty good. All right, what do you think you got?
Huh?
What do you think you got?
I think I rode really good. Probably based off of our last lap times, probably like 120, somewhere in there.
150.
150.
Yeah, it's because the track is long.
No, I feel like you guys were in like the 140 something, 150 something last time.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
All right, who's next?
I'll go. We'll see what's up.
As a part of the game, you know, Garrett's got the iPhone 10 probably, and so it went away. Maybe it's on low power mode and died. We're gonna run it back. Oh.
141.13.
No. You would not believe it. Okay, I remember this from last time. Austin did his number. You remember that?
Oh yeah.
He did it again.
Oh, it's 151?
152 is his number.
Oh, that's sick.
When I saw him cross this, it was 152.
I was gonna be pissed though.
Oh, yeah. Well, and that was with 2 pickups.
Yeah.
Woo, that was gnarly, huh? Right there?
Yeah, close.
What do you think you got?
154.
Same as last time, 152.
That was definitely 2 seconds right there.
I was gonna say you should freaking get it
I was
again.
gonna say you should fucking hit the timer when you're supposed to.
Well, it's not his fault.
My fault. No, that was good. I like that. You know what I mean? I gotta take the L, come back.
Yeah. Well, no, I think that was a win because you messed up right here and you messed up in this corner.
Yeah,
and still did the same time you did last time.
You're right. Was
So
that on the
it-
450?
You were still on the 450, yes, sir.
Sick. All right, cool. Let's run it.
All right, from what the other people have gotten, what do you think you're gonna get?
I want to be 10 seconds a lap faster. I want a 141.
A 141?
Heavy. I don't know where he's getting 10 seconds from.
146.
Yeah, I think you're going to be in like the mid 40s, like 42 to 45 range. I can see that. He does take all the insides, and the insides aren't as mean.
Hoppers out there.
Track did get relatively busy right here.
What's up, boys?
What up?
You look sick.
Thank you.
Good shit.
Shout out Kalshi, this is not sponsored. 145. 145.
Damn.
146.
Yeah, you should start gambling.
Let's all tell them it was 156.
You should do it. You should.
Whoa!
All right, what do you think?
Yeah, what do you think? 144.
146. 145.
All right.
I was with a couple lappers too, so I think you could definitely chop it down to 141.
I was sending it. I'm arm pumped
Yeah, I
out.
could tell you were getting it.
All right, what do you think you're gonna get?
I'm saying I'm gonna get a 143.
Damn. All right.
Alright, let's run it.
Zach is fast. 141.
Wait, what do you think? What do you think?
140.
Okay, 141. All right, well, let's hang it up. That was all for today, guys.
Well, I gotta go.
No, I know. I'm saying he's outsmoked all of us.
Oh yeah.
You did the time that I wanted to do. Good shit.
That was really good, Zach. We could tell when you hit this right here, we were all like, yeah, that was way faster than any of us were going right there.
That was nasty.
By the time you got right here, you were already at 40 seconds, and we were all in like the minute range around this area. So good shit. That was really good. Yeah, Zach, can you please tell us how you do it?
You gotta find your lines.
Oh, my line.
Wait a minute.
You gotta find your lines. We all have a throttle, it does the same shit.
I'm definitely gonna bedazzle my bike now.
There you go, there you go.
Each bedazzle is a half a second.
What are the standards you have for yourself today?
Well, you guys seem faster than last time, so I don't. I
Which
wanted.
tells you what?
I wanted to. Oh shit!
You should also be faster than last
I wanted to beat 2 minutes last time.
Okay.
I don't know if that's a good goal still. The thing is, I know I'm not. I don't know. I think we just have to see.
Yeah, no, I definitely have faith that you could do the 2 minute, at least.
Bro, I haven't ridden in like an hour and a half.
He hasn't ridden in an hour and a half.
Like,
I haven't ridden in 3 weeks.
I've just been filming shit.
All right. Let's go. I need you to go so fast. I need sub 2 out of you.
Sub 2?
I want-
He said 2 flat. Remember last time he was going for 2 flat, he got like 205 or 206.
Okay, whatever. 2, sub 2, same thing.
All right, let's get this shit.
did a 203.
Oh, hey, that was better than last time.
Oh man,
Dude,
what's that? Sub 2?
yeah, the 2 sections that you rolled costed you. But you did better than last time. I think last time you did like a 205, 206.
Yeah.
You did 203 this time.
Okay.
So there was improvement, and I think if you hit that jump right there coming into the corner
Yeah.
with the fucking triple right here, which I know is a little sketchy today because of this, you would be under 2.
Probably. Sick.
Good
Thank
ride.
you guys, bro. All right, guys, we just finished here at Barona Oaks. We just finished the lap time challenge. Of course, see lame coming out on top of that. Someone's got to dethrone this man.
Please.
We gotta bring...
Hey, it could potentially be this gentleman.
Me? Oh.
Hiding in the abyss. Or it could be this gentleman.
make the moto like an hour long, I think I can get it. Snug all of us.
Oh, you're riding all day though.
Yeah, you're crushing in them barrels.
But yeah, dude, like and subscribe. We got plenty more videos coming.
How close are you to 1,000? You're at 1,000 now.
I mean, I'll hopefully by the time this video is up, I'm at 1,000.
Damn, let's go! Ryan's at 1,000.
We're probably
Let's go!
Dude, we're growing. But our weekly YouTube videos, so subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment if you want to see anything else.
Let's go!
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Thank you, guys.
Bro, that was one of the nastiest tosses I've ever seen. Nasty whip over here, foot dab down, completely upside down.